Today we are in Newbrook by Toll Brothers, which is in the Silverleaf master plan community of St. Johns County, Florida. And I'm going to be showing you a Halcyon quick move-in ready home. It is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, just under 2,200 square feet. It's a 2-car garage. It's got a flex room / office. All appliances are included. They're even paying all closing costs right now, currently, as I'm making this video. So stick around, let me show you this home. Let's talk about what it's going to cost and kind of demonstrate to you that it's a very good deal when going with new construction. So let me quit talking. Let's get into this home tour. So here she is. She's actually the home of the week. And this Halcyon is currently priced in the low 500s, but I got wind that it could be had for even less than that. So I'll leave that to the end, but noticing coming up the driveway, it is paved. So it is very nice, 2-car garage. Entrance is on the left of the home. Your little walkway leads to a nice little patio area. And then coming in, you'll notice really tall ceilings because of the 2 stories, which is really nice. Got the transom windows up there. And then immediately to the right when you walk in could be your little coat closet where you put your boots after work or shoes. And then let's close this door behind me. You get some nice windows, and all the appliances, including these shades, are included with this inventory home by Toll Brothers, which is very nice. You got the LVP floors, which is a good choice if you have a puppy like me. Yes, if you don't already know, I have a English cream golden retriever that is kind of slow to being potty trained. But anyways, wood tread on the stairs, so you got to make sure to take off your shoes when we go upstairs. We'll do that in just a minute, but let's first show you this kitchen. Really nice island quartz countertop. It's a gas stove community, which is nice. You got the dishwasher, you got the fridge, you got the microwave and oven combo, you got the light fixtures too. They got a nice backsplash on this, which is a nice touch. Soft closed drawers, because I have a tendency of, not on purpose, I promise it's not on purpose, but I do slam the drawers quite often, so it's nice those are soft close. Then let's take a look at the outdoor living. So also paver Lanai, which is nice. What Toll Brothers did in this community, they actually put up a white fence, so you're not looking at the road, which is a nice touch. Not a lot of communities go the extra mile of making it nice and pretty, and so when people drive by, they know that they're passing a Toll Brothers community because they have that white fence up. It's like a brick fence too, which is pretty cool. It's starting to rain, so let's go back inside. Alrighty, so, oh, by the way, this is your pantry too. Don't worry, you got a pantry. Nice size pantry right there for all your snacks and Cheez-Its. Right here on the left is your flex space. Obviously, I would make this an office because you got the window right there letting in some more light, and they got French doors, which is pretty cool. So you could really feel like a boss working out of the office with the glass French doors. And don't worry, you got a half bath right in front of your office for the potty breaks that I make a lot. And then this is the entrance or exit of your 2-car garage right there. Now, let's take a look upstairs. Oh, by the way, I walked past the TV hookup, so this is where your TV would go right there. So naturally, your couch would go right here. All right. Let's go upstairs, but first I gotta take my shoes off because of these wood treads, yes. Alrighty. And there is another Halcyon right across from this one that is also move-in ready that's actually priced lower, but the reason why I want to show you this one is because the amount of upgrades that this one has compared to the other one, it's like a no-brainer. So with that being said, this one has no carpet upstairs besides the bedrooms. The only carpet that this home has is in the bedrooms. So in the other Halcyon, all this would be carpet, and I don't know, but I don't really like carpet, and I'm assuming you don't either. Laundry's upstairs, and look, you got the washer and dryer included. You also got a little slop sink right there, so you don't have to take your stained clothes and go all the way down to maybe a bathroom or even the kitchen to wash out the stains. Here is your first bedroom. Show you the size of the closets. And the carpet that they do use in these bedrooms, it's a nice low pile carpet, so it won't get as dirty as quickly as some other carpet that you might see. Second bedroom, closet, same size as the first one. This is your HVAC closet. Yup, brand new. You don't have to worry about changing it or fixing it for a while. Then this is your first full bath, double vanity, so you're not bumping shoulders in the morning. You got a nice shower tub combo. I don't know who leaves these opens. You gotta close them, come on. Shower tub combo, tiles all the way up to the ceiling, so it gives it nice cohesiveness. Hello. Then right across from that bathroom is your linen closet right here to put towels or blankets. And then here is the primary bedroom. Bunch of windows to let in as much light as possible, which I like, so you're not living in a cave. Then over here is a very large walk-in closet. I was not expecting this big of closet, so my fiance Tess would definitely appreciate that. And then the primary bathroom, tile, double vanity, quartz, nice soft clothes and everything, which is very nice. You nice got a step-in shower, glass door. Nice little niche right there, so you don't have to buy one of those like little stands for all your soaps and stuff. And then a separate WC. Now let's talk a little bit about the costs of living inside of Newbrook. Well, living inside of Newbrook, you're going to have two HOAs, your community HOA of Newbrook and your master HOA of Silverleaf. With that being said, combined, those come out to around $250 a month. You have the gated entry to Newbrook. You have your very own amenity center for Newbrook residents. Thank you, Toll Brothers. And obviously you have access to Silverleaf's amenity centers. There's two of them. But the good thing is, since you have access to that Newbrook amenity center, you get your own gym. The amenity center in Silverleaf, they don't got gyms. So it saves you money there. And your taxes, your property taxes, is estimated to be in the $550 a month range. So that's just a quick look at this inventory home by Toll Brothers. It's the Halcyon floor plan. If you'd like some more information on this specific move-in ready home or something similar, if you want to go lower in the budget, definitely got some more options for you. Or if you want something a little bit more, I could also help with that as well. And as always, my name is Benjamin Schneider, and just so we are clear, I'm an independent real estate agent. I do not work for Toll Brothers or any of these other builders that you might see me showcasing their properties. I am your sole advocate. So to paint a clear picture without, diminishing anything, diminishing anybody, but these builders reps, they work for the company. They work for Toll Brothers. That's their first priority. And unfortunately, you, the buyer, is their second priority. Me, on the other hand, being an independent real estate agent, not only am I not limited to one community or one builder, but you are my sole client. I advocate for you, your wants and needs, and to be by your side to make sure you get the best deal possible when you move into your new construction home. So if you want to reach out to me, ask me any questions, all my contact information will be down below in the description, also pinned to the comments. And like I said before, if this is not the right fit for you, check out this next video of mine and I'll see you there.